Greetings to all. I Samakritika of grade 9 here to present about Republic Day. Significance of Republic Day. January 26 plays a significant role in the lives of every Indian citizen. Republic Day in India is not just a celebration of the birth of its constitution, but also a commemoration of the day on which we consolidated the contesting ideas of the nation and concluded upon the values it enshrined and the path it would take towards social, political, and economic objectives. It is the day when monarchy was demolished from the country. Importance of Republic Day. India is a republic country and we have got this title after the enforcement of our constitution. It was 26 January 1950 when our constitution was implemented. Since that day, every year we celebrate this day with a sense of patriotism. A grand program is organized at Delhi's Rajpath where the national anthem and various cultural programs are followed by the hosting of the flag. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to complete our constitution. We got independence in 1947, but in a true sense, it was 1915 when we got freedom in terms of our fundamental rights. Republic Day was and always will be an important event for Indians. How do we celebrate Republic Day? On Republic Day, flag hosting ceremonies and parades by armed forces and school children are held in different parts of our country. The grandest and most important of these parades is held at Rajpath in New Delhi, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military prowess. The main attraction of the day is the Republic Day Parade, which begins at Rajpath, Delhi and ends at India Gate. That year, the country will be celebrating its 73rd Republic Day. Let's keep calm and say Jai Hind. Thank you.